Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So just starting off on the monthly the monthly chart, and you'll see last month's bar has engulfed the previous 3 months. It wasn't a trading range, but it has engulfed the previous 3 months bars. And the next level for us at the moment is a close, and we're already above this area here. So this 29,697 area is what we are looking to defend. So just looking at the daily, you can see we had a bit of a pin bar off that level, so 29,697. So we basically closed above it, which is pretty bullish, and we started off with a fairly bullish rally this morning. Now the next level on the daily is this one here that needs to go. So this triangle, you can see the triangle. I've still got this trend line drawn in here. We did bounce off it, and we are in a little bit of a range, but ladies and gentlemen, this is bullish. This is extremely bullish. Solid move up, consolidation, flat top, triangle, break above this 30,000 area, or 30,100 area to be exact, come back, test it, hold it. That validates this whole pattern, and that pattern is a potential move of 4,000 odd points. Okay, so obviously not all in one go, but that is what we're seeing at the moment. Right, so at the moment we are between these two levels, and we are bouncing around like a yo-yo right now, but yeah, we are sideways. So what I'd be looking for is nothing on the 3 hour that we can look for, but on the hour we'll definitely find opportunity. Okay, so the first thing is, let's just take this level here and bring it up to there. So you can see all these tails here, right? This is a double bottom, single, second, double bottom. So I would expect some bouncing around here. I don't expect us to break through this level here, and I'll give you those levels now. I don't expect it to break through here in the Asian session, so I expect it to pull back a bit with Europe. Just looking at the DAX chart, I'd expect a bit of a pullback before we start moving to the upside again. So I'm not sure what this move was. I know there were some members of the Feds talking yesterday, so it might be something to do with that. But anyway, so what we're looking for is pullbacks and structure. Structure I'm looking for is to be built on 29,800 or 29,810 area. So come back, build the structure here, and then move to the next level, which is 30,100. Okay, see this double bottom here? I'll just draw a block on that, so try and keep us not too messy. So there's our double bottom, one leg, two legs, there's a neckline. I want a retest of that, and just put that level in as well, and that tests the previous highs. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Looking for the pullbacks, and again, you'll probably find it easier just to come to a 15-minute chart. Wait for the pullback, see what happens here. Remember, you've got a gap now on the cash market, so pretty strong at the moment, so I don't think we're going to come back and close that, but stranger things have happened. I would be looking at this area to start with, 29,800. If that fails, then just look a little bit lower down, and you'll find an area where the buyers will step in. Okay, the moral of the story on this right now is I'm looking for opportunities to buy into this. I'm looking for 30,000 and then 30,100 to be tagged. Ultimately, I'm looking for those two levels to break and hold. As soon as they break and hold, then we are in a pretty good position for some serious longs. Okay, so yeah, nothing much more to say about that. We do have a lot of noise coming out this week, so there's a lot of data coming out. There's a lot of coronavirus noise happening at the moment, and there's a lot of vaccine noise happening at the moment, and very little Trump noise at the moment. So yeah, I think as soon as that political landscape is sorted out and the vaccines start getting delivered, then those two sort of volatility elements are going to be removed from the market, and then it's going to be a case of looking at data, policies, and economic growth. So yeah, I think it's starting to look fairly rosy. I think your volatility is hopefully going to calm down a little bit, so that we're not swinging 500-600 points in a day. But we can get back to some normality. That would be awesome. Okay, but anyway, for me, pullbacks it is. Looking for pullbacks. Just watch this structure here. Okay, you can see we are above and below the moving average on the hour in this zone. But just watch these levels here, because I have a sneaky suspicion we're going to find some support and then move the upside. But in the same breath, don't be too surprised to see it drop down to close gaps before going up again. Okay, so you're going to have to be very careful and keep the monthly chart and the weekly chart in the back of your head. Okay, anyway, enough rambling from me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.